hindi ko rin makasigaw na.
Yes!
Grabe naman para sa Dunking fan cam na sila Gina din talaga mag-post on camera. So ngayon, since mataas ang energy nila, nagkamataas di ba ang energy mong sumagot ng questions?
Hello! Yay! Pwede nalaman tayo. Game ako dyan.
Nalaman. Pero ito, hindi magagaling sa akin ang questions. Magagaling sa kanila. At yung mga kanila gusto malaman mga questions na finally baka masagot tonight. Okay, so we will call this Q&A segment Believe It or Not. So sa mga mechanics natin, diba? Galing na. Okay, una sa lahat, yung mga questions na meron tayo ngayon sa ating fishbowl over here are all questions na nanggaling sa inyong lahat. So, mangyayari dito, ako muna yung magbabasa, and then, papakita ko sa'yo, and you get to know, or you get to choose kung sasagutin mo siya. So, pag sinagot mo siya, you will show the O sign of this one. Ayan. There you have it. And kapag parang ayaw mo sagutin ng question, all you have to do is to sit sa ating Dunkin' tumbler. So, ganun lang kasi yung ating game. So,
ano yung isa? Christmas na.
Are you ready? Okay. Woo! Ano kaya mga tinanong nyo dito? Pinakabahan ako sa inyo.
Ano hindi finito? May question, may ano naman siyang sasagutin. May options.
Grabe naman yan.
Excited ka masyado, hindi ko
Papaisip ako. Yung mga talong niya dito ng Miss Universe. Ito, yes.
Okay.
From Chloe. At VIP Rosie number 19.
Nandiyan pa siya?
Ito. Our question is, what's the best advice you've ever received and how did it change you? Wow, grabe naman to, Chloe! Thank you for that wonderful question. Best advice, actually, I've received a lot of good advices in my life. I'm so grateful that I'm surrounded with people that could guide me and support me. My mom, my family, my mentors, people I look up to. But then, the best advice I would say is, that I've ever received was when I found my faith in God. Yeah, it actually, it made me power through more, and it made me believe in myself more. And I think that's the best advice I could give to you, is once you believe in Him, you'll believe in yourself too. So, yeah, that's it.
Okay, may mga change of drinks po tayo.
Hello?
May iced coffee tayo din dito. Okay. So pag di mo gusto sagutin, sila tayo dito.
Hindi, alam mo, kung iced coffee ko, kaya di ko sasagutin, inuwin ko.
Isabay mo na rin. Of course, we love our Dunkin' coffee. So okay, thank you for that question. Sino yung kanina? Si Chloe?
Chloe.
Thank you, Chloe. Okay. Next question. Uy, by the way, Chloe, dahil ko rin napili, meron ka rin prize from Dunkin', so congratulations. Next one natin is from Ivy Bagis, CA33.
Sana dinagdagan mo.
Bakit? Ang tagal mo niyasa?
Ang pangit na mga question mo. Alam?
Uy, nag-iisip na sila. Kaya yan.
Parang ayaw sagutin.
Okay. No, actually, I'll say oo to this. Kaya ko lang sagutin to. How do you balance? Actually, hindi ko alam paano sagutin. Joke lang. How do you balance your personal life and career, especially with all the attention you get as an actress? How do I balance? I think just I think just know what to prioritize first the most. Diba? Of course, health comes first, spending time with your loved ones, career, and so on and so forth. It's important that you allot time for yourself. So, kasi if you have that time for yourself, you'll also have time to think of the other things that you need to put focus on. So I think that's the best thing that you could do to be able to find that balance.
Yeah.
Right?
Of course,
Actually, that's something I'm really still learning now, balancing everything. Pero slowly naman, it's something na matututunan din natin along the way.
And speaking of learning it along the way, ano yung may mga challenges ka bang na-face during those moments na parang di mo na talaga alam, gusto mo na hati-hatiin yung katawan mo dahil sa dami na kailangan gawin? Ano yung mga sinasabi mo sa sarili to reassure yourself na kaya mo to?
Parang, let's say ako, pag let's say taping or ano, but then also I want to be with my family, at the same time, I want to go to this event. Parang, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, di ba, gusto mo to? Di ba? Di ba may mga ganun kayong moments, gusto mo to, gawin mo to. Parang, kahit ayaw mo siya at the moment, remind yourself why you did it. And feeling ko doon, pag niremind mo yung sarili mo, ba't mo ginawa yun? Maaalala mo kung bakit mo siya minahal in the first place.
Kumbaga, the younger Belle is cheering you.
Diba?
Continue your dream.
Tama ba?
Pero sa mga questions, ha?
We're okay.
Ano ba yung question?
Sabi, kamusta kayo ni Donnie? Okay naman kami. We're really excited for Happy Spot to Red Flag. Ayan. Panoorin nyo.
Ay, bawal kasi mag-extra question.
Ayun na yun!
Okay. So excited na rin ba kayo guys mapanood?
Mamaya pag ikaw nakagawa
And 11.
Tinanggal niyo yung ate.
Okay. Ba't kinakabahan kaya every time you
Hindi kasi yung ang laki ng reaction niya pag nababasa niya. Okay. Okay. Hi! Yes, Hannah!
Hannah?
Yes, she asked if we could take a photo.
Ano?
Hannah, ano po?
And 11.
And 11, Hannah. Ayan, nag-oo si Belle sa'yo. Quick photo.
Oo, sa ay. Ano ang swear? Sana ginandahan mo kasi ang dami pa
Siya lang po naman.
Oo, eh. Hindi mo ginandahan.
In fairness, ang ganda rin ng question. Diba? May picture pa kayo. 1, 2, 3, smile!
Hindi sana masaya ka ngayon. Hindi, malala pa. Alam mo, limot. Tangi pa kayo si number 1
Hello? Okay. I can, yes. Okay. Oo po. Opo, sasagutin ko po.
Right.
Until when do you plan to be in a love team? That's what she asked. You know, I really love working with Donnie. No, seryoso kasi it's such, our set is so light when he's there. And I guess because I've been working with him for a while, there's this sense of secureness I feel when I work with him. Security ba? Sorry po. So, compatible kapag co-work siya. So, until when, I don't know. But so far, I'm really enjoying working with him. And I like working with him.
Guys, happy ba kayo dito? Alright! Happy sila for that question. Okay.
Ano tayo?
49C naman.
Wala rin ako.
Magkatabi yata sila.
Tapos kung ano pala,
Ito, okay. Maganda to.
Yes! What's your dream role? Excuse me po. For a future project? Ang dami ko pong gustong gawin na project. Actually, ang dami ko pong gustong itry. Gusto ko naman siguro mas stronger na personality ng character or something na hindi ko pa nagagawa like horror or medyo suspense. I wanna try those. Or, of course, my Bida Patrabida dream role.
Oh, wow! Nakakabahan pa natin. Pero ikaw, when it comes to movies, ano yung mas genre na pinapanood mo naman?
Ako?
Mas rom-com ka ba?
Actually, lahat really like watching chick flicks. Mga
Feel
rom-com.
good,
Yes,
yeah.
feel good. I love watching feel good. Mga How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days, Notting Hill. Pero ang marathon ko lately, Disney.
Oo nga.
Disney movies, yan.
Wait lang, speaking of Disney, palapakan muna natin si Belle! Napaka-achievement ako. That's you.
Thank you, maraming
Kailan na-release? Parang na-release na today,
Yes,
no?
it was released na. So, thank you so much.
Ayan, stream nyo ah. The title is...
Anong dalat na? Yeah.
Thank you. Congrats, Belle.
Thank you po.
Okay, so that's 6. 4 more to go. Okay, so this one is from Chloe.
Chloe ano?
Chloe. Ko ba to ulit, Chloe?
Same
Same
name.
ba to? I don't know.
More chances of winning ka ba, Chloe? Or the other one?
Lang. Ano ba to? Hindi, mas maganda ka. Grabe naman yun.
So, kinanong kasi ni Chloe, bakit ang ganda-ganda daw ni Belle? O, diba? Ayan. So, of course, diba? When it comes to, like you mentioned, diba, managing your time, kasama na rin dyan ang overall health natin. Alright, so para always glowing, nag-isang dama
Hi
yan.
po.
Okay, so that's 7. Now we have 3 more to go. Gusto mo ikaw or ako?
Natakot ako pag ako bumubunot.
Ay, mo yan.
Sige na nga. Oh.
Ako sana mabunot si Michelle.
From Tonton. Hi, Tonton. Kamusta po kayo, Tonton?
Kinabahan ka ngayon, Tonton.
Baka yung bata. Ayun o.
Ayan. This question is, what is your favorite hobby? Ako? Thank you for that question, Tonton. Ako, ang ginagawa ko lately,
Ano nangyayari dyan?
ano nangyayari dyan?
Nasa pa si Tonton, yung totoong Tonton. Ayun. Na-shy na siya.
Lately ako,
Hobbies.
hobbies. Well, I've been doing aerial actually, but it's been a while since I last did it. Siguro last month ko yung last ko ginawa.
Parang area.
Yung ginawa ko ng concert.
Ah!
Yeah, tinuloy-tuloy ko po siya.
Na-enjoy mo siya.
Yes. So that, and is working out a hobby.
Oo naman,
Yeah.
part pa rin siya.
I run almost every day. So yun po yung ginagawa ko.
Yung area ka na ngayon.
Yeah.
Baka makitran sila sa mga fun runs. Okay,
Ayan.
marathon na ba agad?
Uy, grabe na ba? Hindi ko alam kung kaya ko. Pero dream ko yun. Dream ko mag-marathon.
Akala ko yung new hobby mo, yung ginagawa yun na SNEER.
Yeah, padel, of course. Padel and my books and movies. And syempre.
Okay, sama-sama na rin yan. Pagdating sa mga books, may certain time ka ba sa pagbabasa? Like before matulog, bago gising. Kasi di ba may mga morning routines yung iba na after waking up, they read like 20 pages of a book. How is it for you?
Ako, sometimes, there are times na I find myself na, I'm in the mood to read, so magbabasa talaga ako. Pero minsan, pag matutulog, minsan, feeling ako lang, tanali ako i-share. Pero sige, i-share ko po. Minsan, pinipili ko yung pinaka-boring na book. Babasahin ko para makatulog ko ako. So, yun.
Parang isang page pa lang pwede.
Yes.
Pwede to
So,
go.
yun. Pero may moments naman na, okay, gusto ko magbasa.
Mas fiction ka ba or non-fiction?
Both naman, actually. Both naman. Pero, yeah, lately kasi nabasa ko script.
Okay. So, bawal makatulog naman. Ayusin. Alright. We have 2 more. 2 left.
Sana si Michelle. Sana.
So, Tonton, congratulations.
Thank you, Tonton! Hi, Tonton!
Kota si Tonton na.
Magkaroon ka na ako! Okay.
So, different different school, different pronunciation, pero ang pangalan niya yata is Vane? From which row?
VIP row B, 6-1. What is your...
6-1. Okay.
Okay, row B, 6-1.
Okay, and the question is?
What is your message to your younger self? Thank you po for that question. Grabe naman. Magiging emotional pa ba tayo dito? To my younger self, I'm glad you enjoyed your years.
Ay, sino ba yan?
Sino ba yun? Alam mo, direct, ang galing niyo po talaga pagdating sa tayo ng kanta. Pero, I'm glad na na-enjoy ko yung younger years ko. So, to my younger self, anong pwede kong sabihin? Thank you for always trying and believing, and thank you for being that kid who dreamed big. Actually, I just really want to thank my younger self, and my younger years were the years that molded me to become who I am today. So I just want to thank my younger self for dreaming, for trying, and yeah, dapat natulog ka na. Natulog ka! Pag sinasabi ng mama mo sa'yo, matulog ka.
Nung pwede pa.
Nung pwede pa. Kasi pag tumanda ka, wala ka tulog, pag sisisihan mo. So, dapat nakinig ka sa mama mo.
Pero,
love you, ma. Sorry na. Ayun. So,
we also wanna know, kasi for some, especially the young ones na talaga inspired sa'yo, we wanna know, did the younger version of Belle doubt herself?
oo naman. Actually, I think the doubt entered when I turned, you know, those puberty years po. When I was around 14, 15, nung time kasi na yan, parang dyan na ako growth spurt po yun.
Yeah.
Yung nagde-develop na lahat.
Changes,
Yes. Hormones natin nag-iiba. Yun yung parang naging awkward years ko. And doon ko na sabi na parang I really question kung tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Or okay pa ba yung ginagawa ko? Pero at the same time, parang there's always this kid in me na up to now, nandito pa rin siya na parang, you know, I really want to make her happy. And I hope I am. And I will do my best to make her happy. So.
And for sure she is. Proud na proud na yung mga version ako. Sa version ko rin. Grabe ko yung walk out. Ano yan? Bakit wala akong kape? Okay. Ay, nag-sip pa siya ulit! Okay.
Teka lang ho. Hindi, buto na lang tayo isa.
Okay, one more.
One more.
Ano question?
Hindi naman
Ano yung question? Yung question ko yun.
This one is from Arabelle.
Oh my gosh. Yung question kasi.
Arabelle. Secret Diamond. Happy birthday! Birthday niya?
Ay, asa siya?
Sabi niya, can you greet me a happy birthday?
Arabelle of which seat?
Diamond.
Nanapainom siya ng
Ito ba siya?
Shine bright like a diamond.
Nagtuturo sila doon.
Sinabi lang yun. Yun nga eh.
Arabelle, are you
Sorry
here?
po.
Bakit gusto ko lang wala po kasi nagtanong.
Hi po!
Sa pinaka-white?
Yes, I think she's... Birthday niya po?
Asa, tayo na si Arabelle.
Ay, nag-hi kasi siya eh.
Ayan, kay Arabelle, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po! Happy birthday, Arabelle! Thank you for being here. We're so happy you're here. Salamat po.
Yes, thank you for being part of the day. Being part of Belle's Day also. So thank you so much. That's it. We have 10 answered questions and 1 unanswered question. So,
Uy!
pwede ko ba tanongin ito backstage?
Oh naman.
Okay.